Hello and welcome to another update on Ethereum. The Ethereum chart so far is holding Fibonacci support between $3,430 and $3,581. So this is the micro support zone that I shared in my last video yesterday, which we thought might be tested in a wave 2 pullback. We have seen a potential wave 1. I think it still only counts best as a 3-wave move up, not 5. We really talk about the details, but many coins have formed 5 waves up from the weekend low. And bear in mind, the next move up is likely going to be a 5th wave, right? So a 5th wave here on the chart, which should be a 5-wave move, but a 5th wave can be an impulse, or it even can be a diagonal pattern. So it's entirely possible that the price has formed a 3-wave move up in wave 1. That means the 3rd wave, once we have a low in place, should also be an A, B, C structure. Then we get our wave 4. And the 5th wave should also be an A, B, C structure. After the wave 1 was also an A, B, C structure. Now, again, let's first see, before we really think about that further, let's first see if we can find support here in this support region. I gotta tell you, this does look like a perfect ABC structure to the downside, but I'm not convinced yet that a low is in. It's just not enough upside momentum. The upside reaction is weak. Momentum is weak. Just not convinced yet, okay? What I can tell you is that this pullback really looks like a perfect ABC structure. Of course, it can get another low. In that case, then it should hold the 3,537 level, 3,492, or 3,431. But any decisive break below 3,431 would invalidate this 1-2 setup. And the formal invalidation point is this one, actually. That's 3,355. Now, a break below support, a break below the key support level here, is not the same as invalidation, but it means that invalidation will become very probable. So one more low, can't rule it out. Wouldn't be a problem either. So the market can handle that. The market can stomach that. If we get one more low, there might even be a chance for the price to find support maybe at one of these previous swing lows here, 3,523, or the previous one here from Sunday at 3,456. But they are not invalidation levels, they're just structural support levels, really just minor swing lows. So let's remove that again. Just waiting now for evidence that a low has formed. Now, what would that evidence be? Well, I would need to see some upside momentum from here and a break above this B wave high from a Tuesday, which formed at 3,695, followed by a break above the wave 1 high, obviously, 3,736. And then when we get there and break above this level, the $4,100 level should be next, ideally. This is sort of the level we've been talking about for a while, important resistance. But this level ideally will be tested, especially as long as the 3,430 level is holding. This would be the next target. Now, if this 1-2 setup fails, it wouldn't be a major disaster, but honestly, with the move up like that, it would be ideal that a low is already in. Okay, if we get another low, then $3,258 to $3,091 would be the next support level. Then, however, I have to assume that the wave 4, that presumably bottomed on Sunday, is actually still unfolding. So that's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in the membership, feel free to check out our channel page. Here you can find a short video that explains the member benefits. And as a member, you get access to our member-only videos. Today, for example, I covered Jasmine. You also get access to our member live streams and recordings. Plus, you get access to a lot of additional updates on our Discord server if you join as a gold member. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.